For this next experiment, I have a ramp made out of a binder with a book underneath it, a crayon box, in which I need it to be, which it doesn't tell me how far to have it, but I'm going to tell you how far I set it up. And I have set it up so it is 4 inches, hold on, 4 inches, you can't see that, can you? From the bottom of the ramp. And for this experiment, my ball is going to be my cat's toy. Okay? And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the ball up here, and I'm not going to push it slightly or with any force. And we're going to measure how far the box went, how many inches it moves. Ready? Here we go. Okay, so how far did the box move? Well, let's see. Okay, so if it was, I really need another hand. So let me get my 4. Let me figure out where it was. Okay. So if my box was at the 4, right? Because that's lined up. I had it there. It moved almost 3 inches. It moved almost 3 inches. So on my paper, I can write 3 inches. Okay, for the first trial. But remember, we're going to do it 2 more times. So let me put everything back where it was. So put that there. That's on the 4. Get my ball. And let's do it again. And let go. Okay. This time, if we started at the 4, which is right there, this time the box is 9.5. Okay, because I'm looking like right there, 9.5. So if we started at 4 and it rolled to 9.5, how many inches did it go? 5.5, right? Inches. All right, let's try it one last time. Get my box put back up. 4. Get my ball. And let's do it one last time. Okay. It's not at the 4 anymore. Now it's at the 9. So 9 inches. So if it starts at the 4 and now it's 9, how many inches did it actually move? 5 inches. Do you see how every time you do a trial you get a different number, get a different amount? All right, now this says distance the box moved when struck with ball with a light push. So now I'm going to put everything back to where it was on 4. And then I'm going to 4. Then I'm going to give it a slight push. Okay. Don't fall. All right. This time it is at, I want this point, 9.5 again. So 9.5 from 4 is 5.5. Oops. Inches. Okay, we'll do it again. Put it at 4. Got that at 4. Go get my ball. And slightly push it. Okay. Started at 4. Holy cow. 9.5 again. Which means it went 5.5. Okay, one last time. Come back to the 4. Come back. Ooh, got a little more distance this time. All right, start at the 4, and now we're at the 11. So 11 minus 4 is how many? 7 inches. All right. Now, distance the box moved when struck with ball with a strong push. Oh, so now I get to do a strong push. All right, put it back up to 4. I'm gonna kind of scoot it out some, so that way it doesn't hit that. And now I'm gonna give it a strong push. Okay, and it went to 12. So 12 inches minus 4 is 8 inches. Let's do it again. Get my ball. Here we go. Well, I thought that was pretty strong. Maybe not. Maybe it was kind of weak. All right, one more time. Okay, well, this time not as far. 7.5 inches. So only 3.5 inches. One more time. My ball. And our last one. I don't think that worked the way it was supposed to. But oh well. And 6 inches, 6.5 inches. So we can say 3.5 inches again. All right, and this concludes activity 2.